Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachupapi! Good morning! Magde-date muna kami ng aking asawa dahil Saturday ngayon, umabsent siya dahil gusto daw niya magpahinga naman kahit papan. May duck po. Mga kachupapi, may tamatawid na duck. Ayan o.
It's crossing the street. It's like, I'm walking here, people. Watch out. Really friendly. They hiss at you.
Yeah. So mga kachupapi, punta muna kami ng breakfast kasi gusto daw niyang matikman yung panera bread dito sa Wisconsin. Kasi yung last week, nag-invite yung aking friend. Tinreat niya kami sa panera. Ang sarap ng mga bread nila doon. So, nagustuhan ng asawa ko. Sabi niya, next time daw, punta daw kami doon. Kaming dalawa lang. So, ngayon, Memorial Day today. Or
Memorial
on
Day's
Monday.
on Monday, yes.
Yeah.
Today's
So-
just regular Saturday.
Yeah. So, we have 3 days off, mga kachupapi. So, ma-enjoy namin tong aming 3 days off. Enjoy talaga, mga kachupapi. So, ang gagawin namin ngayon is pupunta kami ng Panera and then pupunta rin kami ng Farmers Market. I-check namin kung ano yung mga binibenta ng Farmers Market dito sa aming downtown. First time ng asawa ko makakapunta kasi 'di ba tuwing Saturday lang bukas yung Farmers Market dito sa amin. Sabi ko nga sa isip-isip ko, dapat hindi every Saturday, no? Dapat every day as long as maganda yung weather. Kasi pag every Saturday lang, kunti lang mabebenta nila, 'di ba? Kasi sa alam ko meron tayong ganyan sa Makati Ab ba yun? O Ayala Avenue yata yun. Sa Makati, Makachupapi. Kasi doon ako dati nagtatrabaho rin. Meron silang mga farmers market na katulad dito sa amin. Papakita ko sa inyo mga Kachupapi. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano mga binibenta. Kasi last time na pumunta kami doon, last year. One time lang ako pumunta mag-isa. Nag-bike pa ako dahil yung asawa ko pumasok. Ang binibenta nila mga flowers, gulay. Wala sila yung mga burger patty. Di ba dapat may mga ganun? Kasi sa Makati, yung dating broker pa ako, mga kachupapi. Nilalakad-lakad ako dun sa mga condo kasi nga nagsisell kami ng mga condo. Nagpaparent kami ng mga condo, hotel, mga ganyan-ganyan. Lagi naman nagdadaanan yung puro mga Chinese, puro mga American, yung mga nagbebenta, ganun. Nagbebenta sila ng malalaking sausage, malalaking patty, burger patty, may mga palamig. Di ba dapat ganun? Wala eh. Yung sa amin parang medyo konti lang ang tao kasi. Pero siguro pagka nasa, kami, sa mga Milwaukee yan, marami dyan. Katulad nung sa kaibigan ko sa Seattle, maraming tao. Kaya lang dito sa amin kasi konti lang. Kaya konti lang ang mga bilihin siguro. No. Pero kung ako in case na maisipan namin magbenta ng mga pagkain, magpa-farmers market, anong mabebenta ko? Mga fishball. Diba? Oo, mabenta yung fishball, kikiam, diba? Dapat mga ganun na mga binibenta nila. Diba? Wala. Kasi nga konti lang ang tao. Kaya. So anyway, mga kachupapi, nandito na kami sa Panera. Masarap pala itong Panera. Ngayon ko lang na Actually, kumain na kami dyan ng asawa ko. Kaya lang, hindi ko masyadong na bet. Siguro yung order niya mali. Or hindi ko bet yung order niya. Pero maraming pala masasarap na bread dito. So kain tayo dito. Dito na tayo. Ang bilis. So yan siya, kachupapi. Kaya muna tayo sa Panera. We'll pick up.
I'm gonna back in.
Okay. Panera bread. Dito na tayo.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go eat breakfast. Meron din sila mga soup, mga kachupapi. Tapos, mga kachupapi, kahapon pala, meron akong customer pumunta sa bahay, si Ate Fe. Binigyan ako ng bag. Ayun, kachupapi. Ang ganda.
Yeah, put this in your bag. My pockets are full, so we put it in there. And
There you go.
save the money so we can use it at the farmer's market.
Yeah.
'Cause they only take cash over there.
Ayan. Ganda niya. Oh. Naka-all pink naman ako dahil. Dito kayo gonna order here. Hero. You can order Hero.
You can order here?
Yeah.
Oh,
You didn't know this one?
I did not know they have it. Go ahead. You can order first.
This is the one that I order. Oh. Spicy steak.
Spicy steak
This one.
asago. Yeah, I think I want to get that one again.
You want this
Go ahead
one?
and order first, and then I'll pick it.
Okay, I want this one.
You want that one too?
Oh, you want me to choose different?
It's up to you.
You want that one? I'll get parang masarap din to, no?
Toasted caprese fox. Yeah. These are some big sandwiches. Bagel stack.
This one, I want
Go ahead, order it.
mac and cheese or bacon mac and cheese.
Plain bagel, blueberry bagel, sesame.
So, ito yung store nila kay Papi. Maganda naman malinis.
It's really good.
Dito kami ang view. We're here the other day. A lot of Pinay.
There's a lot of that.
We can stay here because it's very bright. Meron din dun sa kabila.
Honey walnut cream cheese. Let's just do the plain.
And then coffee.
And then what do beverages?
Ano, I feel like strawberry. I like this.
You want the strawberry?
Let me see. Strawberry lemonade. Yeah.
You want the lemonade? It's a little bit gonna be a little bit sour.
Sour.
Yes?
Maybe.
I'm just gonna get coffee.
Okay.
That's up to you. Whatever you want to get. So 77.
So, dito ko na rin magpe-pay. Ang galing, no? Kachupapi. Let's eat.
Okay, let's go sit down.
Is it here then? Kala ko pang pang senior, hindi pala. Ito yung view namin mga kachupapi. Nakapark yung car dyan. Dito na kami.
How come your camera is not portrait? Because you lock it in horizontal?
Like this?
Yeah.
No, there's a thing and pop up if I want like that or up.
Okay, 'cause portrait means long.
Yeah.
Landscape means wide.
Yeah, I
But-
want
but
landscape
it's-
because I put
it's
it
stuck
on the
on
YouTube.
wide even when you have it in portrait.
Yeah, I put it on the YouTube. That's why.
Okay.
Mga kachupapi, wait lang kami sa order. Gutom ako. Ang oras natin ngayon is...
What happened?
I'm falling. Maybe too heavy.
Maybe.
Ang oras natin ngayon mga kachupapi. What time is it na? Almost 9 na mga kachupapi. Ito kachupapi, bigay sa akin ni Ate Fe na bag. Ganda niya. I like it. Ano ang tatak na ito? Wala kasi akong alam sa mga tatak-tatak.
Auntie Faye, you call her Auntie Faye or Ate Faye?
Ate Fe.
Ate?
Ate Fe. Auntie is auntie.
You mean Ate? That's like
Ate.
big sister, right?
Yeah.
Ate?
Yeah.
Big sister?
Yeah, and you respect her. Something like that. Ang ganda ko coffee. Hindi na kasi ako nagbibili ng bag dahil parang feeling ko hindi ko naman din nagagamit. Kaya nag-stop na ako dun sa luhong-luhong ng mga ganun. Tapos pag umaalis na lang kami ng asawa ko, sa bulsa ko na lang nilalagay cellphone or yung wallet. Hindi na ako nagbabag. Ewan ko, parang nag-iba na yung personality ko. Yung asawa ko. Ako naka all pink and purple. Siya all blue.
Two different color things today.
So, breakfast muna kami dito. Antayin namin yung aming breakfast. Hey, dito na yung order namin.
It's pretty big.
Wow! Ay, sarap naman na ito, kachupapi. Ito yung order ng asawa ko, kachupapi. Ito masarap. Mac and cheese with bread. Yay! Eat muna kami, kachupapi. Good? Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Pleasure. You try this yet?
Ang cute, no? Cute.
Who thought of that idea, I wonder?
Yummy.
How's your chocolate?
Ang good. I like this one.
It's good.
Sarap nung na-order namin, mga kachupapi. Tingnan natin tong ating mac and cheese with bread. Ay, ang sarap.
It's freshly made bread. And that was spicy.
Good choice.
And they say that darkness is so dark, it's unlike any darkness you ever experienced here on Earth. Like even here on Earth, when it's dark, there's actually still light because the light comes from the moon.
Yeah.
So we still have a little bit of light. The sun reflects the light off of the moon and back onto the Earth. So it's actually not even that dark. But they say that in hell is so dark, it's unlike any darkness you've ever seen because light just simply does not exist. There is no light at all. There's only little bits of like light that comes from the fire that is in hell. A little bit of light only, so you could barely see anything. And those fire are not like normal fire, like they say. It's kind of like a red, hot, burning fire. You know, that's why they say the wrath of God is in hell. You know, the red, hot, burning fire. It emits very, very little light, so all you can see is maybe shadows moving around. And these shadows, they're all demons, and you can't even see them clearly either because it's so dark. And when you do see them, at least even a little bit, they're horrifying.
Dito tayo sa Goodwill, mga kachupapi. Katas lang namin kumain sa breakfast at ang aking asawa nagkukwento about heaven.
And it's not a place you want to be. After I hear all these testimonies, I thought to myself, it's a really bad place.
There's a car.
I know. When I was younger, I used to always think like, how bad can it be, right? How much worse can it be? It can't be that bad, right? How much worse can it get?
Why, you wanna experience?
No, because I didn't believe then, and I always just thinking that, hold on, I'm gonna fix my parking. I always just think that, you know, I don't care if I go to hell, you know, how much worse can
Ganyan
it
siya
get?
kasama dati.
How much
See?
worse can it get?
Katakot naman tong truck na to.
But as soon as you know more about the shoot, we're gonna wait for her to leave.
Why? Wanna go there?
Well, you know what? We can go.
Mga chupapi, dito kami sa Goodwill at check lang namin ng aking asawa kung ano meron dito. Saglit lang naman. So ayan siya, dito kami, mga chupapi. Ito na yung mga nakuha namin, ang bahay. At may mga cute na shoes to, mga chupapi. Ang baby. Diba? Ang cute. Tingin-tingin lang ako rito. Ito 75% off. Tingin-tingin lang. Tapos may mga bag din dito. Ayan, mga bag. Libot ko kayo mga chupapi ha. Mga bag dito mga $10, $11. Ayan, $7. Ayan mga chupapi. Maganda rin to. $9 lang din.
You still wanna go farmer's market?
Yeah. Or just check what's in there. Okay. Ala, ang ganda naman. Hello. Baby, oh, I like this one. Oh.
Check the size.
Check it out.
It's probably too small, dude. I think it's too tight. It already looks too tight, dude.
It's just like that because no one see. But it's good though. No.
How much is it?
$5.
$5?
Yeah.
If it's comfortable and you want it, you can get it.
What size is it?
I don't want you to hurt your feet.
Size niya mga chupapi. Size 6. Oh.
Size 6? Is that your size? Size
Yeah.
6, right? You can get it.
$5 lang naman siya. Kunin na natin ito mga chupapi. Maganda naman yun. Lalaban lang ng konto. Dito rin ako lagi nabilin sapatos. Kasi medyo mura. Diba? Maganda. So mga kachupapi, tapos na kami sa Goodwill. Punta naman kami sa Farmer's Market. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga binibenta ng Farmer's Market. Kasi Saturday ngayon wala naman tayong gagawin. Maglilinis lang kami ng bahay pag-uwi. And then, tara tingnan natin mga kachupapi. Mga green na yung mga ano rito mga kachupapi oh. Mga green na yung glasses. Wala ng snow! Yay! Summer na naman! Diba? Ganda no kachupapi. May mga pink na rin na blossom. Diba? Ganda. On the way na kami ngayon sa downtown. Tingnan natin kung ano mga bibili natin. Kung mura ba o mapapamura. O mura ka sa sobrang mahal or ano. Tingnan natin yung kachupapi. Medyo makulimlim lang ngayon. Pero hindi siya masyadong, hindi pa siya uulan mga kachupapi. Ito kami lagi kumakain ng kachupapi. Kanis noodle. So ayan yung ating mga neighborhood. Malinis na mga kachupapi. Wala nagkakalat. Malinis siya.
The neighbors here is way different than in the Philippines.
Yeah.
It's a lot of space. In the Philippines, very crowded. Hardly any space.
Yeah. Diba?
And here the houses are big. Compared to in the Philippines, houses very small.
Yeah.
Unless you live in a rich area, then the houses are big.
Mga kachupapi, oh. Linis ng kalsada, no? Wala kang makikitang mga ano eh. Balat ng chichirya, diba? Wala eh, oh. Wala mga basura, diba? Nakakatuwang mamuhay dito. Lapit na tayo. Ito na yung downtown. Ay, hindi pa pala, no? We're gonna turn right. This is right.
Yes, maybe.
Sa Google ano ko.
You don't know your left and right? You're always asking me, is this left or is this right? And I think to myself, did you know you're left and you're right?
Sometimes I always do like this, like that. I don't know why. No, Kachupapi. Ito yung Manitowoc Court. Ang Kachupapi. Dito kami kinasal. Diyan.
Kids don't know their left and right yet. That's why they always put their shoe on backwards.
Uy!
We're going over here.
Oh.
So
There's
why,
a way there?
Yes. That's why sometimes I'm always thinking, oh, you're gonna put your shoes on backwards if you don't know your left and right. It's funny.
Oh yeah. Ang mga Kachupapi. Ang galing mo, Bia. Very good. You go over here. You didn't go to the traffic.
I know my way around that.
Ito Kachupapi, pag diniretso mo yan,
This one
yan na
is the
yung
farmer's market.
Farmer's Market. Yay! Oh, diba? There's a car coming out.
Did I take you to a natural library yet? This is the
No.
natural library. You never
No.
go in there before?
Yeah. Maybe next time. Ay, may boba! Hala! Maybe there's a lot of food court! Okay.
Because I don't want to go over there and then there's no parking space.
I didn't know there's parking area here.
This is for the library, but we can park here.
Ang mga Kachupapi, meron silang mga food court. Food court. Meron. Anong food court? Pinagsasabi mo. Food court.
Food truck.
Food truck. Mali-mali ang pinagsasabi. Mali-mali ang amats mo rin eh, no? Yay. Baby! I'm thirsty. I want water. Or maybe boba. Meron what's it called, B? The one musician. I feel like I'm just get out of the cage. Hello, you forgot to. Hello.
That's not.
Ay, they have plants, B.
Look.
Ala, ano ba yan? Na. Bilang mo, oh yeah, drink.
Let's go over here. Have a look.
We should sell something here.
Depending on when you guys want to go to dinner. Yeah, where do you want to go?
What do you want?
It's up to you. You wanna
I just want water.
water? Let's go look over here.
Meron pala silang mga grill, B. I thought they don't have a grill.
Sometimes they have food here too.
Yeah, the first time I went here, there's no food.
Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they do. There used to be a
Gusto ko
egg
lang
roll truck.
tubig kasi I just want water because I'm so thirsty. I don't want to drink some sweet. I know, B.
You have any bottled water here? Yeah. How much is it? $1. You want bottled water?
Meron pala eh. Yay! Thank you.
Go ahead.
It's cold. Let's go check it out. They have veggies, so.
Wherever you want to go.
Okay. I don't know where I'm gonna go first, huh? Oh, some people are
leaving early.
yeah, they're leaving.
Close at 1 o'clock.
We have bread here. I wish they have a lot. Look, it's a little bit only. In the Philippines, it's right next to each other. You know what I mean?
Sometimes they have more, but maybe it's not so busy today. Or maybe some people went home already, you know,
Yeah.
because they start really early. And then if they sell all their stuff, they go home already. So we came late because it's almost time to close.
What's that?
The
Train?
afternoon alarm.
Ano
12
cactus?
o'clock. So every weekend, 12 o'clock, they always play the afternoon alarm. You do that, make sure it works. You should get some cactus or something.
It's gonna be that.
No, they're actually pretty strong. They don't die so easily.
Only got the one in there.
They survive in the desert. And the desert is very, very harsh. Very cold at night, very hot during the day.
I don't know. Maybe I'll check later. Maybe we should walk first. So mga chupape, ayan siya. Ayan na!
They always test the alarm every week, make sure it works. So in case there's an
Ay, oh, they
emergency.
have veggies na, oh. They have tomato. Maybe I should buy this one so I can put it on my greenhouse.
When we did it already, you can do that.
I'll just keep waving at you. Oh my god! That's the second time she's done that to me. Yeah, it is. I just did this to somebody else like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yo, so beautiful.
My wife, and I thought I had it.
Ay, ang ganda. $20.
Yeah.
That's veggies, flowers. Okay.
You too.
Dito kami nagche-church, oh. Konti lang yung nagbebenta. They have flowers here. Let's check out the flowers. $10. Ganda ng flowers. Ito yung bathroom dito, mga katsabati. Yep, ayan ang bathroom. So yung naririnig nyong tunog, mga kachupapi, nag-a-alarm kasi dito pagka tuwing alas 12 na. So meaning alas 12 na yon mga kachupapi, kaya may alarm. Alas 12 ng tanghali. Tignan mo yung mga kachupapi, yung ano, mga color pink yung mga flowers, mga puno. So ito yung downtown nila rito, kachupapi. Ayan. Dito minsan may mga parada, parade. Dito yun. Success? Did they have a tissue?
Yeah.
Oh.
They have hand sanitizer too. So.
Hello. Friendly mga tao rito eh. Yung mga chupapi, oh. Simple lang buhay dito. Ayan, oh. Para kaming nasa ano. Oh, the art. They have art view. Look, it's beautiful. Wow. Maybe look at the fish, oh. Look at the fish, oh.
Yeah. Like the fish,
Look cool.
it's all copper.
Yeah, it's cool, huh? Meron din sila lighthouse dito. Ang ganda.
I'm so busy, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, art.
I sold everything I went home with last week to a restaurant, so I didn't have any left over really. So.
They have food, veggies, plants. Let's see, what is it there? So after this, okay. Nice. Ang ganda. Marami din yung gumenta, no? Tignan pa natin dito. Mga art, food. Ayan, matcha. Wow, matcha. Matcha, matcha, matcha. Mm. Kaunti lang, no? Siguro mas maganda to pag marami yung ano. Maybe, I think this is gonna be good if there's a lot of people selling some
When I
stuff.
live in California, they used to have a farmer's market like this too, but it's a lot bigger.
Yeah, it's a bigger. This one is a little bit.
Now it's focused a little bit.
No, kita mo ng purple niya. No, cool purple.
You like this one?
No, I'm good. Ang cute ng tent nila, mushroom din, no?
You like the little
Polka
grass
dots.
mushrooms?
Yeah. That's it, no? Oh, they have cheese, babe. They're selling cheese here.
What's over here?
Let's go. Kids like
Cheese is a big thing here.
yeah.
Oh,
Maraming
that's
cheese
where we
dito,
started.
Kachapapi.
Can we go back and look at the plants?
Let's see. I don't like cactus.
You don't like crickets? It's okay. Do you want to go check out the library? Since you've never been in there?
Let's. I think it's closed Saturday.
No, it's open. It's closed on Sunday. So if you want to see, today's a day to see it.
So ayun mga Kachapapi, kaunti lang, maliit lang.
Open, and I won't be here next week. Duck eggs and
Okay.
you want to taste the duck eggs?
No.
Want to go check out the library?
Yeah, let's check that. I didn't know that it's only a little.
Yeah.
No. Before it's a lot. Maybe we're too late. No, because it's getting.
Well, like I said, most people they come early in the morning and
Yeah.
they go home when they're done selling their stuff or something like that.
Check natin yung ano.
And then sometimes it's just not so busy. Sometimes it's a little bit more busy, but it's just good condition. Not like small, so I don't expect it's super big.
Maliit lang siya. So ito yung Manitowoc Library.
The public library, I used to always take my kids here.
Hala, kamukha siya ng aso ko, si Ringo.
No, see boss?
I think his boss is there. Why he's walking like that?
It's fine, Curly.
Or maybe he's too fat.
Point is locked.
Let's see.
Puzzle exchange. It's just puzzle.
This is the library. You can buy books here.
And you can check them out.
Ito yung library. Hello? Look.
Old radios.
Yeah. Ano pa ako pa yung binibenta? Are they selling it? Looks like it's selling it, huh? Oh no. Maybe they're not selling it. Oh.
I think they are. They have prices there, so it's good for decoration. It's not useful anymore, but it's good for decoration. Well, actually, no, this is from 1933, so I guess it's just for show.
Yeah, just for sure. So ito yung downtown nila, Kachapapi.
And I'll show you where the union is.
Medyo magulo yung aking hair kasi wala pa akong...
Hmong collection.
Wala?
Yeah, Japanese collection, so I guess they have books and movies based on Hmong.
Oh, galing ako Kachapapi.
So they have crazy, they do. That is crazy. They have some DVDs here too. This is
Hmong
about,
is kind of like Chinese.
this is
Look.
like the first Hmong emperor. Dai and part 1.
Galing ah. Yan siya, kachupapi.
So Spanish, Hmong, Japanese.
Galing. Dahil libro, no? So, ito siya, kachupapi. Doon kami kanina, oh. Ayan. Ngayon, nandito na tayo. Check it out, check it out. Ayan, this one is so, ano. I told you. Hello? Look at that. Be upstairs, look. Yeah. Ang ganda. Ito mga pambata. Ang daming bata, no? Oh, dito sila nagpe-play. They have games here. Nice. They change it or you just didn't remember? Yay. Ay, coloring book din sila.
It's okay, they put it on the computers.
No? Nice. Ang galing.
Puzzles.
So mga kachupapi, pauwi na kami at nag-enjoy naman ako. Siguro hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog. Marami na naman tayong i-edit. Daming gala, kachupapi. Pero okay din kasi nakakapaglakad ka, nakakapag-exercise din yung binti mo. Kasi nga dito hindi ka nakakapaglakad masyado dahil lagi ka nakasasakyan. Ayaw mo rin naman maglakad dahil wala rin mga kasama naglalakad. Maglalakad ka lang sa mga ganyan-ganyan. So yun yung buhay dito kachupapi. Okay sana kung laging summer para, di ba, ako kachupapi. Maraming taong dumadaan, pwede ka rin maglakad-lakad. Pero hindi, ganito talaga. Sa malamig kang lugar, o di, tiyagaan mo, di ba? At least, enjoy mo na lang ang buhay.
I'm surprised he's just out walking around.
Nakita niya kasi yung katrabaho niya.
I
He's walking alone?
Yeah, I expected him to be at home because, you know, he's always at home.
Or maybe he's looking for a new job.
I don't know.
Nakita niya kasi yung katrabaho niya sa ano kami. So, kinamusta niya lang. So, anyway, mga kachupapi, hanggang dito lang yung ating vlog. Thank you for always watching. God bless.